What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be talking about how you guys can get started dropshipping with little to no money. Now, this is a common misconception, but because of TikTok nowadays, especially with all these other platforms that exist now, and there's like YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, it is literally the easiest time more than ever to start dropshipping right now. So I want you guys to pay attention to this video because I'm going to go over a handful of different things. I'm going to show you different TikTok accounts that I've ran, some viral TikTok accounts that literally started from nothing. And with that being said, let's get right into the video. If you guys haven't already, make sure you subscribe, like down below. If you guys are looking for winning products every single day with a free dropshipping course, you can check it out in my description down below. So for the very first thing that I want to talk about, just to get this out of the way, if you guys did not know, there is a 120-day free trial for Shopify right now. This is probably going to exist forever, but I'm going to leave this link down in the description below as well. A lot of people, are wondering like, hey, how can I get started with dropshipping or create a Shopify store without having to pay the $30 monthly fee? And the good news is you don't have to do that. You can literally go on Google, or you can go down in the description, like I said, look up 120-day free trial for Shopify. We're going to be talking about organic TikTok dropshipping. Now, I'm sure a lot of you guys have heard about this. I do mostly this. I'm starting to get a lot more into paid ads again, but I took a break and I did organic TikTok dropshipping for a while now. And there's been tons of new accounts on here for literally like teenagers and stuff like that. I personally know like teenagers that are making killing. They're making hundreds, if not thousands per day in profit just by uploading videos of a product on TikTok, going viral, having like 50, 60, even 70% profit margins because they're not spending a dime on paid ads. And I don't want you guys to lose out on this opportunity. I do not know how long TikTok will be like this, but it is pretty easy to go viral on TikTok nowadays. And you guys can see that this account right here is called Ultabody. I'm sure you guys have seen this product time and time again, especially if you guys used to sell on Facebook. But this is a backcracker. So this specific product is something that solves a problem. It's something that is super viral, mainly because of the types of videos that this creator is creating. So if we click on this video right here, I'll let you guys listen to this. So you can see that they have this sort of same theme throughout all of their videos, and because they follow trends, they have constantly engaging content, they're able to go viral constantly. Like this video has 2.2 million views. This one has 500,000 views within the past day. So this is all with organic traffic. None of this is paid ads. I think this brand is starting to run a little bit of paid ads, but most of this is just organic traffic and uploading consistently, right? So this brand, they upload anywhere from like 3 to 5 times per day. So usually when we talk about going viral on TikTok and getting traction on certain products, number one, obviously you have to have a really good product. So this is a proven winning product that originally was on Facebook, right? So number one, and it can crack your back very loudly. A lot of people have back pain. A lot of people want to feel what they would feel at a chiropractor and what they can do at their own house without having to pay for a chiropractor. Another thing too, this is something that solves a big problem, right? Just like I said, if you're somebody that sits at a desk all day and you're at work or you're at school or you have a heavy backpack, obviously you'd want something like this to help with your back pain or lower back pain, right? Or aches or something, maybe help you with your posture. And on top of that, this is also a product that has a wide market. So basically anyone can buy this product. This is why this is a 7-figure brand. So if we go to their actual website, you will see here, this is a Shopify store. And this is not even the best Shopify store out there. Actually, it's pretty terrible. Like, I'm actually surprised they're doing so well. But then it goes back to, your product and your marketing, right? They have that on lock. So their website isn't all that great. So at the end of the day, it's not that big of a deal. So I guess they revamped it just a little bit, but if we go to the product page here, it looks like they have customized packaging now. This is a complete upgrade of what they used to have, and they have tons of different reviews and stuff like that. Okay, so they definitely upgraded their product page, which is absolutely awesome. And this is still a dropshipping store, right? And you guys can see all the way through here, frequently asked questions. Everything is on par. Like, this is completely dropshipping too. Like, they probably by now have customized packaging. They have, customized boxes and stuff like that. But this is a product that you could find on AliExpress. So if you guys are new to dropshipping, You can find most of these products on AliExpress. Most of the products that you see on TikTok or on Facebook that are being advertised, you will be able to find on AliExpress. Therefore, you'll be able to sell it. You can see you can get this product from anywhere from $10 to $15. And when you go on their website, they're selling it for $30. So on average, let's say they're making about $15 of profit for every single order. And they're not spending any money on ads, like I said. So that's every single order you're making $15 of profit. And all you're doing is literally uploading videos on TikTok, uploading consistently 3 to 5 times per day and following trends and trying to make videos as interesting as possible within the first 5 to 10 seconds. And now if you wanted to take a step back and look at a more realistic brand of what you could possibly do within a couple of months, we can look at the brand Podpic. I believe these guys started a couple of months back, but they have tons of videos on here. And this is another example of a product that you can find on AliExpress. So if you go on AliExpress and you look up Podpic, we could literally look that up. So if you go on AliExpress, you can get this product for $3.22, and there's over 20,000 orders, which is absolutely insane. It has good reviews, and let's see what they're actually selling this product for. So if we go to they're literally selling this product for $15. If you were trying to run paid ads with this product, you'd be losing money drastically. So that is the beauty of TikTok organic dropshipping, you guys. It's the exact same thing as regular dropshipping, but you take out the paid advertising, and you're mainly just using the TikTok algorithm to go viral and get sales. So you can buy this product for $15 here, and they're probably sourcing it for around $3. So that's an $11 profit margin for every single sale that you get. On average, that's what I get for my products as well, as like a $10+ profit margin. And if you also go and if you click on these videos, like these aren't videos that are hard to make. You can make these videos within a couple of minutes, and this one's literally 6 minutes long, and it has 50,000 likes, and it also has 1.8 million views. So I'm sure they got dozens of sales just from this video, but just imagine how much money you can make from these accounts. Like 8 million views, 19 million views, and this video is only 6 seconds long, and it says sell this to Apple. But it's insane. Like the power of TikTok nowadays, a lot of people are taking it for granted, and a lot of people just want to advertise on Facebook and Instagram and all these old ways. But TikTok is a gold mine right now, and you guys should be taking advantage of it, especially if you have a very low budget. And these people on these platforms are literally going, if you want to get the product, and you can create an account on TikTok just like this, completely free. Uploading videos is free. Creating a Shopify store is free. I showed you guys a 120-day free trial, and on top of that, you know, you can try and upload other people's videos, try to upload different videos of your product on TikTok. Me personally, what I've seen the best results with, ordering the product off of Amazon. You can find most of these products. So if we went to Amazon.com, right? So at most, if you're trying to do TikTok organic dropshipping, you're going to be spending maybe $10 to $50 depending on the cost of your product to get it to your house. Now here is one of my accounts that I actually sold the digital microscope on. I'm sure you guys have seen this product before. It went completely viral. Now I was able to revive this product mainly because there was no one selling it at the time. Like it died down a bit, and then I started to sell it again. And you guys can see here, like one of my first videos that I uploaded got 1.1 million views. Now I don't sell this product anymore. Like here's another one, 8.1 million views. Now the main thing about this product that I did really like was the fact that you could basically create content endlessly for it. So you guys can see here, like I created content basically responding to any types of comments. There's like one for dog food, one for chicken tenders, tomatoes, like your computer screen, sponges, bread. Like there's tons of different content. Like this video right here got 13 million views, and that happened within a couple of days, and that's because it was a response to a comment that a lot of people were liking, and they wanted to see this type of video. So I exactly did that, got 1.2 million likes, and a majority of my sales probably came from this specific video. Now if you guys look down here, you can also see that the very first video that I uploaded on this account got 1.1 million views, and it was of these strawberries. Now the reason that I uploaded this video specifically was very strategic. If you go back to TikTok and you look up this product, one of the original creators of this product is called Microscope Edit. You guys can see that their most viewed video has 12.8 million views, and it was of these strawberries. And I saw that and I was like, okay, well, this is obviously a trend. This is something that I'm going to create content with to see if I can go viral. And what do you know, it did. It was like my very first video on the account. And you guys can do this too very easily. Now I'm going to go over a handful of different things that you guys want to make sure you do your due diligence on. Make sure that you save 20 drafts. You can take a couple seconds of video and then save it to your drafts. And basically that's telling TikTok that you're serious and you want to create content and you're a serious creator. The next thing is have a personal account. This is a big question too. A lot of people are like, oh, well, should I have a personal or business account? With a personal account on TikTok, you're going to be able to have, you're going to be able to use trending sounds. With a business account, you're not going to be able to do that. And for whatever reason, they like to suppress business accounts on TikTok. I'm not really sure as to why, but they do. And then on top of that, with personal accounts, once you get to 1,000 followers, then you can list your link in your bio. With a business account, I believe you can do that automatically, but it's not like you're not going to get followers as fast as having a personal account. And then the next thing, you should be replicating viral videos of your products. There's a lot of misconceptions with this. A lot of people think, oh, I'm just going to upload random stuff, try and make it go viral. No, this is a specific strategy that you guys need to be following. And if you don't follow this strategy, the chances of you going viral and actually getting sales and having a really good account is pretty low. So like I just showed you, replicate viral videos of your products. So if you try to sell this product specifically, if you went on my account, well, you can see what videos did the best for me. 5-second rule versus orange versus microscope. I found an account that was doing this exact same challenge or whatever you want to call it, the same type of video, and I replicated, but I put a little twist on it, right? I did it for maybe a different food item, like oranges. I think the original account did it for like gummy bears or something like that. I think I created a follow-up video on this somewhere, but I created a handful of these types of videos and they did pretty well. And like I said, if you wanted to sell this product, what I'd highly recommend that you do is replicate the videos that have worked the best on my account, similarly to the microscoped account as well. Find what's already been working and then try to replicate that video as close as possible. You can even see my backgrounds are very similar to, what this account has. And then also another thing you guys need to pay attention to is you need to be posting 3 to 5 times a day. A lot of people get lazy. They only post 1 or 2 different videos a day. That's not enough. If you want to take this seriously, TikTok will push out your content. The more videos that you push out, the more chances that you have of going viral. And that's mainly because they put all your videos on the For You page. So every single video that you put out gives you another chance of going viral again, And then also you're going to be using trending sounds, which is the obvious thing. When you're creating your videos, there will be like a TikTok viral sounds or whatever that you can choose from. And I just chose from like the top 10 songs to add to my videos. And this is also very important too. Quality is a very big thing. You guys cannot be having terrible lighting. You need to have a good camera on your phone. I recommend having at least an iPhone 8 or above. Another thing you can do, like I literally went on eBay and I got an extra phone. I got an extra iPhone X on eBay refurbished for like $200, $300. You don't even have to do that. You can get an iPhone 8 on eBay for maybe $100, $150. That's really all you need. And then on top of that, you want to follow trend alert accounts. So if you guys don't know what trend alert accounts are, if you go on TikTok, this is how you can stay on top of trends. Like I'm trying to think of a trend that's going on right now. And this way you can hop on trends early. This way you can hop on sounds early and give yourself a better chance of going viral. But sort of now, like you can understand that a lot of this is strategy. And if you apply the same strategy on every single account that you create, testing different products out, chances of success are pretty high. And then, like I said, your lighting is very important too. Like on every single one of these videos, I use a flashlight in the back of my camera. You can also invest in a ring light, like this ring light that I'm using right here. I got for $20 on Amazon. It's a very worth it investment, and that's a very big thing. So quality and your lighting is a very important. And then I have, this background, this black background. That way everything is centered around one thing. There's nothing to distract the viewer from seeing what's actually happening in the video. And then one last thing that I do want to talk about as well is for these types of products that you do find, there's a lot of different accounts and stuff like that. You can go on TikTok, look up, slushy cups. You can look up, like my account here, quantum scopes. You can look up digital microscopes. You can look up posture correctors. You can look up back crackers. If you find these accounts that are selling these types of products, you can engage on their videos, like them, go to the websites, add the cart. The more of these videos that you like and engage on, TikTok will actually show you similar TikTok organic accounts that are selling these types of products, and you can find potential winners very early. So that's a very important thing. Same thing if you're trying to find winning products. Same thing if you're trying to find winning products for people that are running paid ads. And then lastly, I do want to talk about when you should hop on products, right? So I looked up this product here, the lighter. I'm sure you guys have seen these like plasma lighters or these flame lighters and stuff like that. These have been selling for a very long time. I did test this product out, but the main reason why it did not work for me is because it has been on the market for a long time. There's tons of different accounts that are uploading videos for this every single day. So it's much harder to stand out. Like saturation is still a thing regardless if you're doing paid ads or organic traffic. So you do have to keep that in mind. Like when I was planning on doing the quantum scope, like this product was nothing something new when I was selling it. The thing is that I hopped on it when there was barely anyone like creating videos about it. There was like literally no one creating content for it on a daily basis, and it was ready to go viral again. It was ready to be trending again, similarly to the slushy cups. If you can hop on the trends very early, like for the slushy cups, if you hopped on that like in early April, you would have made a ton of money. So saturation is definitely a thing. You want to pay attention to that. Like if these accounts here weren't even uploading within the past couple of days or past couple of weeks, that might be a good sign for you to start, creating the trend, because you already have a proven product here. It's already worked for these people, and you just have to revive the trend again, see if you can blow up. But that is exactly what I did for this account, and you guys should replicate the same exact thing very easily. You just have to follow these strategies. But with that being said, you guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video and you got some value out of it. I upload a video every single Monday, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. Make sure you like and subscribe. If you guys want to check out my membership, you can down below. We upload new winning products every single day from either TikTok or Facebook, and we also have a free, completely free A to Z dropshipping course on there that gets updated as well. So if you guys want to check that out, you can check it out down in my description. With that being said, I'll see you guys next week. Peace out.